Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Roku Remote is probably one of the most underestimated yet crucial devices in your living room, acting as the gateway to endless entertainment, seamlessly navigating streaming services, adjusting volumes, and even powering your TV, making a truly intuitive and responsive remote control essential for an enjoyable and frustration-free viewing experience that elevates your entire home theater setup. Number 5. Roku Streaming Stick 4K. Experience simple, stunning 4K and Dolby Vision streaming. This device makes exploring popular apps, free movies, shows, and live TV incredibly easy and fun. Enjoy breathtaking picture quality with a stunningly sharp 4K picture. It brings out rich detail, making colors pop and providing lifelike clarity with Dolby Vision and HDR10+. Stream your favorite entertainment seamlessly in any room of the house. Its long-range Wi-Fi receiver ensures a strong connection, even in areas farther from your router. Take your TV entertainment with you wherever you travel. You won't need to log into someone else's device to enjoy your shows. This device is compact without compromises, featuring a sleek design that won't block neighboring HDMI ports. It stays hidden behind your TV, keeping wires neatly out of sight. Say goodbye to juggling multiple remotes. This single remote powers your TV, adjusts volume, and controls the device, even allowing voice commands for quick searches and playback. Never wonder where to stream again. All your top apps are consolidated in one place, ensuring you can always find and stream your favorite shows, movies, and more. What we like. This streaming stick delivers stunning 4K and Dolby Vision for breathtaking picture quality. If you're looking for seamless streaming in any room, its long-range Wi-Fi is incredibly reliable. If you like taking your entertainment on the go, its compact design makes it perfect for travel. What people say. The provided source JSON is empty. Unable to extract any product reviews as no content was supplied. Number 4. Roku Voice Remote Pro, First Ed. This innovative remote features a built-in rechargeable battery. Simply power it up with any standard USB charger, and you'll never have to worry about running out of power again. Say goodbye to juggling multiple remotes. It allows you to turn your TV on and off, adjust the volume, mute, and control all your streaming content seamlessly. Can't find it? Just say, "Hey Roku, where's my remote?" Or use the free Roku mobile app. This clever feature ensures you'll always locate it quickly. Plug your headphones, sold separately, directly into it for private listening. Now you can crank up the volume on your TV without disturbing anyone else in the house. Experience true convenience with hands-free voice controls. Simply say, "Hey Roku" to search, launch channels, or turn on captions without even touching it. Choose how you want to interact with your device. A simple switch lets you toggle between hands-free and push-to-talk voice controls, giving you complete flexibility. Set personal shortcut buttons with your voice for instant access. Launch your favorite playlist, adjust settings, or perform other actions with just a single press. What we like. This remote offers advanced features like a rechargeable battery and hands-free voice control for ultimate convenience. If you often misplace your remote, its lost remote finder will save you time and frustration. If you enjoy private listening, it also includes a headphone jack for undisturbed viewing. What people say. Number 3. 2-pack IR remote for Roku built-in smart TVs. Is your current Roku TV remote lost or broken? We have the perfect solution for you. This 2-pack of IR remotes ensures you always have a spare on hand. These remotes are specifically designed for Roku built-in smart TVs from popular brands like TCL, Hisense, ON, and many more. They seamlessly integrate with your existing setup. Please note, these remotes are not for Roku streaming players, sticks, or soundbars. They also do not offer voice control, ensuring you get the right remote for your specific TV model. Enjoy an enhanced viewing experience with 4 dedicated shortcut buttons for Netflix, Amazon, Hulu, and YouTube. Jump to your favorite streaming services instantly, saving you valuable time. Forget complicated programming or setup. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, and it's ready to use immediately. It works right out of the box, making your life easier. Experience reliable performance with a 40-foot transmitting distance and a rapid 0.2-second response time. Its durable buttons are tested for over 200,000 clicks, ensuring long-lasting use. To ensure a perfect fit, check your TV's physical branding for the Roku logo. Also, look for the Roku logo on startup and the trademark sidebar menu on the home screen. What we like. This is a straightforward replacement remote specifically designed for Roku built-in TVs. If you need a simple, reliable remote with quick access to popular apps, its 4 shortcut buttons are very handy. It works right out of the box, making it perfect if you prefer plug-and-play simplicity. What people say. No source reviews were provided. Cannot extract points from an empty source. Number 2. Acoyer Roku Remote Cover, glow in dark, green-blue. Tired of constantly searching for your Roku remote? This protective cover is designed to make it easy to find and keep track of. Its vibrant colors stand out, and the green and blue options even glow in the dark. You'll spot it quickly, even in dimly lit rooms. This case is compatible with all Roku TV brands and streaming media players. It ensures a perfect fit for your specific remote control. It offers maximum protection against drops, slips, and everyday wear. The textured back provides a better grip than the remote alone. All buttons and infrared signals remain fully accessible, and a built-in lanyard helps prevent loss. It's designed for seamless use. Lightweight, washable, and child-friendly, it also prevents kids from opening the back cover. This ensures long-lasting protection for your remote. What we like. These protective covers make your remote easy to find, especially with their glow-in-the-dark feature. If you have kids or frequently lose your remote in the couch cushions, these bright cases are a must-have. They offer anti-slip grip and shockproof protection, ensuring it stays safe and visible. What people say. Excellent compatibility with various Roku TV models. Intuitive button layout for easy navigation. Number 1. 2-pack replacement remote for Roku Express Premier Box Player 1234. Introducing a convenient 2-pack replacement remote for your Roku device. It's specifically designed for Roku Express, Premier, Box, Player, and models 1 through 4. Please note, this remote is not compatible with any Roku Stick or Roku TV models. If your original remote has a pairing button, this one is not for you. This replacement offers core navigation but does not include volume control, power buttons, or voice search. It also lacks a headphone jack for private listening. Enjoy quick access to your favorite entertainment with 4 dedicated shortcut buttons. These include Netflix, Sling, Hulu, and Disney Plus for instant streaming. Setting up is incredibly simple. There's no programming required, just insert 2 AAA batteries, and it's ready to use immediately. You'll receive 2 remotes and a user manual in the package. They offer long-distance transmission up to 26 feet and respond to your commands in just 0.2 seconds. What we like. This basic replacement remote offers essential control for your Roku player with no programming needed. If you need a simple, cost-effective solution for older Roku boxes or Express models, this 2-pack provides great value. With 4 dedicated shortcut buttons, it's perfect if you want quick access to your favorite streaming services. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.